Hello everyone! Today we are going to learn about vowels and consonants. Under vowels, we will be learning about long and short vowels too. Vowels are 5 special letters in English alphabet. They are A, E, I, O, U. When you remove the vowels from the English letters, you get the consonants. They are B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. These letters are called consonants. Now let's have a look at long vowels and short vowels. Long vowels say their name. A as in ape. E as in eagle. I as in ice cream. O as in oval. U as in unicorn. Short vowels sounds like this. A as in ant. E as in elephant. E as in igloo. O as in orange. A as in umbrella. Today we will be focusing more on the short vowel sounds. Let's play a short game. You have to look at the picture and try to fill in the blanks with the short vowel sounds. It's a cat. It's a cat. Can you guess which sound is missing here? Cat. K-at, cat. Bed. Bed. B-ad? No. B-ed? Yes, that sounds right. B-ed. Bed. Bed. Pin. Pin. P-in. Pin. Sun. Sun. S-a-n. Sun. Mop. Mop. M-op. Mop. Fan. Fan. F-a-n. Fan. Cab. Cab. C-a-b. Cab. Hen. Hen. H-e-n. Hen. Mug. Mug. M-a-g. Mug. Dog. Dog. D-o-g. Dog. Jet. Jet. J-e-t. Jet. Thanks for reading with me today. Bye bye.